Today we are going to create a salary report like this. So we will create a blank report, then we will enter data. We will enter our data. So let's name this. Let's change the column name to job titles, and here is our data, and let's load it. And here's our data. So we can now present it by this column. Let's make it bigger a little bit. Then let's add our data to this. I will put job title and x-axis and salary to y-axis. And as you can see, here is our data. So let's now add a average salary, like how all of them, how much they take. So let's insert, no, sorry, modeling, new measure, and let's clean this. Let's name it average salary. Average salary equals to average, and let's choose a column, and I will say salary data, and I will commit it. And here, as you can see, it's the sharing of the average salary. Let's visualize it by card. I will put it here, and in the field I will add average salary. And as you can see, it's our average salary. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.